Presenting a pre-owned 2014 Chevrolet Expressway LT 3500. This three-door van has an 8-cylinder, 6.0-liter V8 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Chevrolet has less than 57,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 11 miles per gallon in the city, and 16 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ask to see the free Auto Check Vehicle History Report. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, child seat anchors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, power windows, window defogger, and CD player.